Today I wanted to do an update on the skinny stacks. We use them to hold all of our meat. When we bring it home from the grocery store, we put the meat in, put the lid on it. Now I leave them in the package that they come from the store. And the reason I do that is because I found that these containers are not waterproof and they will leak. So this one here, I'm just going to use for the next show, and I took it out of the package, and I don't know if you can see or not, but the juice starts to move around on the tray. This one here was a leftover, and it was real juicy, so I ended up putting a paper towel under it on a tray so that it didn't leak all over the freezer. But you can see how much meat fits in this. I mean, this is, you know, a meal for 4 here left over. And then here's just a package of hamburger we brought home. We put in there, put it in the skinny stacks, and they don't take up much room. The cover is a little hard to get closed. You have to kind of force it closed. It's a little tight. I don't know if they'll loosen up in time, but I've had them for almost a year, and I haven't really been using the covers a real lot, because lots of times I would just put the package on the tray and throw the tray in. But now lately I've been putting the lids on it. Although I will tell you that using them, they haven't broken. You know, that's the problem with a lot of plastic things. The hinges break, the clips break. So they seem to be made well. I'm real happy with them. You know, they're not cheap. It seems to be a good quality product, and I guess, you know, good quality product costs what it does. So I guess that's your update. I mean, I'm real happy with them. So here you can see the containers with the meat in it, and if you'd like to see more shows or the original review that I did, it's right here.